Welcome to video 3 of the SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase commissioning guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the commissioning process for a system with battery storage using SolarEdge Go. You'll learn how to run the storage test, configure the battery and meter, and complete the storage commissioning process. Let's get started. We'll begin by running the storage test. Next, we'll configure the battery and meter. Finally, we'll generate and share the commissioning report. Review the detected devices and verify that the inverter, battery, and inline meter are listed. Optimizer pairing is still in progress while the system prepares for the storage test. When you're ready, tap Continue to proceed. Before continuing, confirm that all expected devices have been detected. If everything looks correct, tap Proceed to continue. Before optimizer pairing begins, review the high voltage warning. Once pairing starts, the DC cables will carry high voltage and will no longer be in safe DC mode. When you're ready, tap Start Pairing. Optimizer pairing continues in the background while grid monitoring is in progress. The inline meter is detected and will be configured after the storage test. Grid monitoring is now complete, and the storage test is in progress. SolarEdge Go is verifying battery communication, charging, discharging, and overall battery operation. You can monitor the test progress on screen while the test completes. The storage test is now complete. SolarEdge Go has successfully verified battery communication and operation. The system is now ready for the next commissioning step. Now in progress. SolarEdge Go is verifying battery communication, charging, discharging, and overall battery health. Please wait while the storage test completes. Verify that the battery status shows storage test completed. The inline meter is now ready for configuration. Tap Configure Inline Meter to continue. Configure the inline meter according to the site requirements. Verify the meter function, then enable Modbus termination if this is the last device in the communication chain. When you're done, tap Set and View Status. That the meter status is OK and that all three phases are communicating correctly. Confirm that the voltage, current, and power readings match the expected installation values. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. The inline meter configuration is now complete. Tap Storage and Backup to continue with the storage configuration. Select the appropriate energy control mode for the installation. By default, the system is configured for maximum self-consumption, prioritizing stored solar energy before importing power from the grid. When you're done, tap Set. If required by your local utility or grid regulations, configure export or production limits. If no limits are required, leave both options disabled. Tap Set to continue. Review the commissioning summary to verify that the entire system has been commissioned successfully. Make sure all sections display a green checkmark, including the battery and inline meter under Devices. When everything is verified, tap Continue. The commissioning report summarizes the installation details and system configuration. Review the information for accuracy, then tap Export Report to export or share the report. Choose your preferred method to share the commissioning report. You can send it to the homeowner, your office, or save it for your records. Once you've shared the report, tap Done to continue. The storage commissioning process is now complete. Tap Finish to continue. Before leaving the site, note that the battery will automatically begin its calibration process. During calibration, the battery charges to 100% to ensure normal operation. Read the notice, then tap Read and Understood to continue. Physical layout mapping can be completed after commissioning and isn't covered in this video. For now, tap Layer to continue to the site dashboard. You're now back at the site dashboard, where you can monitor the installation, manage devices, and access additional site features. Your storage commissioning is now complete. Up next is Video 4 Backup Commissioning. In the next video, you'll learn how to commission a SolarEdge Nexis 3-phase home backup system. We'll see you in the next episode.